Hello everyone. In this video, we will see a new exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this particular exercise is how does the union tool works in case of Alteryx. This is the union tool which is available in the joins tab. So first of all, we have to input the data with the help of in out tab. We'll go to this input data tool. We have to connect it with the data. I will go to this configuration window, connect it with the data. It will direct us to the data connection window. I will select the path as this particular file name as sales 2017 copy. It will ask us to select a specific sheet from the file, or you can select a range. So I will select the file name as union data. Range 1. Click on OK. Now I will just click on run so that the result workflow will be available over here. Basically, the ultimate aim of this particular union tool is that we can append the files or we can combine the data from one sheet only. If the data is been displayed, I'll show you the database first. So this is the database. So over here the month, year and record number is being displayed. So likewise month, year and record. So January, February, March, April, May, June. So 6 months are there from the year 2018. Then the column names, you can see that it is not in the same sequence which is of the first. So the sequence is being filled record number, year, month. So Alteryx will make in the same record as it is being placed at the previous one. So over here month, year, record number is being filled. So these records will be appended, means combined with this, and then it can be shown in this particular sequence, month, year, record. So how we can do it is, now I will press Ctrl C and then I will press Ctrl V so that the same data with the input data will be pasted over here. So the same, we don't have to take again and again the input data tool and connect it to the file. So I have only copy pasted over there. Only I will change this. So I will select over here the range as range 2 and click on OK and then click on run. So over here the month from July to December is being shown over here, and in the first case you can see that the month from January to June, 6 months is being displayed in the first input data, and another 6 months is being displayed in the second input data. So range 1 and range 2. I will go to this join, bring this union tool into the canvas, connect this with this union tool. Both we have to connect it. Now we have connected this input data tool which is given by #1. So with this union tool over here and #2 with this union tool. So now the data which will be over here and the data which will be in this particular case, 6 months previously and another 6 months from Jan to June and from July to December. So it will be combined. So I'll just click on this. So in the configuration pane, I will keep it as it is, auto configure by name. Don't change any of the fields. Only click on run. So over here in the results workflow, we can see that the union has been done, the data has been appended, combined from the same sheet. Even though it is not in the sequence. So month, year, record number from January to June, and then from July to December. So in this way we can use the union tool in case of. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.